So this is a demonstration side-by-side comparison using Autoglym super resin polish. So I'm going to put it on this section of the vehicle, and then once done that and buffed it off, we'll do a water test, compare it from left to right to see the difference. So I'm just going to put some of the product on a polishing pad, and then just going to work it in. So you can go up and down. I think it's probably better to do it up and down. Some people put it on in circles, and this has already been rinsed, washed and dried. So let's put some on using a circular motion. Right, just going to let that go off. Back in a moment. The product is now hazed over. Just going to take that off. Right, there we go. Now I'm going to do a water test. I'll just reposition the camera so you can see it better. I'm going to do a water test. So this is the side that's had the Autoglym super resin polish put on. As you can see, it's beading pretty good. And this is the untreated side, although it is quite clean, admittedly. Yeah, it's beading quite nice on the left. Here's a little bit on the right, but I don't think it's quite as good. Right side to the left side. There we go. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Please do consider subscribing to the channel. Take a look around at the other uploads, and I'll see you in the next one. Ta-da for now.